At JA Plant Pool, our commitment does not end after you purchase your vehicle or equipment. It is only the beginning. Welcome to a world-class after-sales service where reliability meets excellence. Whether it's a rugged truck hauling across Ghana or earth-moving equipment powering massive construction projects, our team of skilled technicians ensure your machines are always at peak performance. For transport operators, we keep your buses on the road safe and reliable because we understand that every breakdown is more than just downtime, it's a lost opportunity. Our after-sales service also covers light-duty vehicles from SUVs to salon cars with advanced diagnostics, genuine parts, and professional care for every ride. With regional workshops and fully equipped service vans, we bring experts close to you, anytime, anywhere in Ghana. We guarantee genuine spare parts, timely supply, and a warranty package of up to 24 months, giving you peace of mind every step of the way. Our customer service is always just a call away, backed by training programs and technical orientation designed to keep you confident behind the wheel. JA Plant Pool after-sales services, because reliability is not just a promise, it's what drives us.